Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding, and right now we will be discussing about the CSS padding right shorthand property. We are going to be using the CSS padding right shorthand property from this. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the padding top property in shorthand, and right now we are going to use the shorthand property for the padding right. So how can we detect the padding right shorthand property? This thing that follows this 24 right here is one that which is the padding right. So how can we know? Then we are going to know by let's specify 24 right here. Now let's bring this one up. Let's bring it up to 500 so you can be able to see it's the one. Now let's the second value inside our value is the one that is controlling the right. Now let's reload. Can you see we are having 500 pixels right there on the right? Let's increase it up to 800 so you can be able to see it, to confirm that is the one. Can you see? So we are able to control the padding right using this second value right here. So let me decrease it to 2% so you can know that it's also the one. Can you see when I decrease it to so we have controlled the top and the right. In our previous tutorial we discussed about the top. This first one is the one that controls the top, and this second one is the one that controls the right. Let me increase this also again so you can see the second value is the one that controls the right padding. So please, I want you guys to practice this because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is many once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace and love.